Hello, this is Johnny Vlogger UK, and I wanted to show you a video of doing the day 2 swab at home test. I've bought a kit. It cost me £60. I bought it online when I was out in Tenerife. I got it from a company called abroad..Com, and it cost me £60. It was £50 for the kit, and then £5 VAT and £5 for 24-hour delivery. So I've got the kit here. This is it, and it's a day 2 test, which you're meant to take 2 days after you've arrived back. And I've got all the bits and pieces in the box here, and I'm going to do a test. So it gives you an idea of what you have to do when you come back. Right, so there's the kit. So I've just opened it, and basically you get the box, the cardboard box. You need that to return the test. There's a returns bag here. I've put the label on the plastic bag. So that's where it's got to go to. It's got some sort of code thing on the back there. You've got the label, the return bag, the box. There's some instruction here that tell you how to do the test. There's a plastic bag here that you've got to use. It's got some like wipes inside there. You've got some barcodes that you need that you've got to stick on in various places. There's a security seal. You've obviously got to put that on the box or something. And then there's your little tube. It's got some liquid in it. And then obviously that will you put your swab sample in there. And then there's your sterile swab. That's what you've got to stick in your mouth and up your nose to do the test. So I got this from assuredscreening.com, and it cost me £60. It wasn't £20 like some of them you see online. They'd all sold out, the cheaper ones, so I had to get this one in the end. Bit of a pain, but there you go. Right, so I'll move on now, and I'll do the test and show you what I'm doing. We're doing the test now, so I've just washed my hands, sanitised my hands. I've examined the swab and specimen. Tube should only contain 1 to 2 millilitres of fluid. No evidence of leakage. So there's no leakage in that. Right, remove the swab from the packaging. Do not touch the soft end of the swab. So there we go, I'm undoing that. Peel here. There we go. Get this out the packet. If we can get it out the packet. It looks pretty awkward. Right, here we go. Right, so there it is. That's the swab bit. That's got to go in my mouth and nose or whatever. Right, stand in front of a mirror. Right, I've got a mirror here. You can't see it. It's out of sight, but it's just here. This is going to be quite tricky. So I've got to stick this on my... Stick out your tongue, you will see an arch. So I've got to swab it all at the back of my mouth where my tonsils are. So I've got to do all that, and then I've got to put it up the sides of my nostrils, like 2 centimeters up, like up here. and I've got to rotate for 10 seconds. Right, so here we go then, and then I've got to put it in that liquid. I've got to put it in there and then snap that bit off and it stays inside there. So here we go then, so I'm going to do it. I've got to get my mouth open now. You probably won't see this on camera. You might do though. Oh, Jesus Christ. Right. So it's got some sort of stuff in there. Right, I'm going to stick it up my nose now. Do that. Let's just do it for about 10 seconds. There you go. Right. I've done that. So now I've got to open the sample. And I've got to place the used swab in there. And break it. I'll try and break that off. It's proven to be a bit of a nightmare. I've cut the swab with a pair of scissors and I'm going to stick the lid on. There we go, so I'm sticking that on so the sample is in the liquid. I've done that. Right. Secured insert. So I've got to shake it 3 times. Here we go. Up and down, up and down. Right, I've done all that. Get 3 barcodes. Placed one of the barcodes along the sample. Right, so I've got to stick one on here. So I'm doing that now. So stick that on there. There you go. So it's got the barcode thing on there. Place the sample inside the special clear bag. Oh dear. Here we go. Not sure what these wipes are for. Absorbent. Remove the white paper strip on the bag and fold over to form a seal. Right. There you go. So I've put that in there. So you peel that off. And then you fold that over. So that's done. I've got to stick another. Barcode on the bag. There you go. So we got that on there, and then place the third one. I have to place the third one. I've got to put one on the instruction, which is this. So stuck a label there. So that's done. Keep the certificate safe until you receive your test results. That leaflet, right? Complete step 1. So I've got to activate the thing. I haven't actually done that yet, but I'll do that straight after this. I'm sure it doesn't make any difference. Right, and that's it, I think. Turn over. I've just got to put it in the box, I suppose. Security seal. Place a sealable bag. Category B box. So basically that goes in the box. That'll go in there. So we obviously close the box up. So that's now closed. But basically you seal that on there, and then you put it in your posted label bag, and then you just go down the post office and send it off, or maybe just put it in a letterbox, post box. So I hope that was useful. If you liked that, shows you an idea of doing a home swab test for your day 2 COVID-19 test on return from international holidays. Okay, so if you like this video, click the thumbs up, click the subscribe button, Johnny Vlogger UK, and click the notification bell for all my future videos, releases and lives. I do lives, etc. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And I'll probably give you an update soon of what the actual result was, if I was positive or negative. Should be negative, but who knows. Okay then, thanks for watching, bye.